Hello and welcome to learning how to scan your photos using our Epson scanner. When you first come into the Digital Media Lab, you're going to open up the scanner, place your photos good side down up to the top right-hand corner, and then close the top of the scanner. At the bottom of the desktop, you will notice an Epson scanner icon. Double-click on this icon and a new window will appear. When scanning photos, double-check your settings in the Epson scanner program. Your current settings should be on document type reflective, document sources glass, you want a 24-bit color, and your resolution should be 300 dpi, dots per square inch. Begin by clicking the preview button to preview your image. The scanner will begin scanning and your image should appear on the screen. You'll notice that your cursor has now turned into a cross. Click and highlight your image. You will notice marching ants and little dotted lines around your image. You can also decrease, unsharpen, and mask your image. You can backlight it, and you can also do a dust removal or a color restoration. When you're satisfied, click Scan and choose where you would like to save your document. We're going to choose the desktop. I'm going to title now my image just with my initials, and my start number, I'm going to zero it out and start with 1. Make sure your overwrite option is deselected, just in case if you have files with the same name. Your image format should be a standard JPEG. Click OK, and the scanner will begin scanning your image now. A new window will appear and it'll show where your new saved digital copy of your image is saved. You have an option of rotating your image and saving it as a portrait or landscape. Click the red dot to close this window, and to scan more photos, repeat these steps. I'm Rachel from the Innisfil mediaLAB and Library, and you just learned how to scan photos and make digital copies. Thank you for joining me.